We're going to up there. Sylarnas fjällstation is the destination of today. 20 kilometers, and this is day 65. And we're leaving from Helags fjällstation, and we are looking at Helags glacier up there. A real glacier, and it's windy and it's cold, and it's supposed to be rain this afternoon.
Follow but this way for 150 meters.
And I have my app going in my bum bag. So hopefully we can reach our destination before the rain starts, because it's going to be quite late. And in 10 kilometers we're going to have a lunch. And we have slept so good. It was warm, it was cozy. We had some breakfast here. And here he stands. Windy Dan.
Good morning. Let's go. It's super windy.
Oh. And she reached it. Whole lot of stones on that stone. We see those piles everywhere. I don't do that stone thing, but people really enjoy it. For some people it's important thing to put a stone there, because they think you're gonna get good luck. How do you do? Do you put stones on stone piles or what? Do you think it's for good luck? Please let me know. Another reindeer. We see so many of them. Another river crossing. Down here, over there. It's a big one. We did just fine. I think we're gonna have several of these today. So hopefully we're going to be dry and not so cold, but we will see, because there are no bridges. You have to, Catherine, she has shoes, bathing shoes that she puts on, so she's walking through it. But we have, and we don't have that. We have hiking boots. And we just walk by it, over the water, and a waterfall.
Why the fuck are you ready already? Why are you over already? Yeah.
Here is Jämtland, and over here is Härjedalen. So now we are entering Jämtland. But we think we have been in Jämtland a few days. But maybe it's a cross line over here on these mountains. So now we are in Jämtland again. And it's sometimes the wind gusts really taking my backpacks. I flew like this.
The cabin was in Härjedalen, and we went Jämtland because we have gone around this mountain.
Yeah, that's right.
I think it's a historic border, so that is an old site. Yeah.
Nice.
Maybe you can give us the answer.
Please do.
Yeah.
Because in TV-pucken, Jämtland Härjedalen has the same team. So that's interesting.
Historic border.
So riddle me this, my friend.
Now we don't have to be in the water. We are going to be over the water. And the wind is still so heavy. It almost blew me away before. Östra Ekorrån. And on samiska, I have no idea. And we are lucky that we have a bridge over this river. We have been one big water crossing and 4 small of them. And now this bridge. Oh, it's a wiggly one. And right up there, it's a lunch spot of today. So now we have been walking almost 11 kilometers. And I have walked a little bit extra sideways because the wind, it's very, very annoying with the wind. We have some signs. That one. So just 10 left. And we have walked 11 and we have 10 left. And these huts are coming.
One of these nice river crossings again. So you gotta jump in the water and see, don't step on the green rocks. And this is the first time filming, so this is a stupid mission. And I want there to walk on that plank already. Yeah, it's nice. So we go up here. And here we go for the lovely ladies' views. But this was a pretty easy one. But maybe 4, 5, 6 of those a day, every day now. And it's not nice to get your feet wet. Yeah. And be careful by the plank. But maybe if I step on the plank.
Holding it?
Yeah.
A little bit slippery.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
And Catherine?
Of course. She's the best one yet.
Yeah.
We are just novels here. Here's the professional. Nice. I think so.
Yeah.
Me and the YouTubers, we will go up here, and Anna, she will walk in that direction. But maybe is that the correct one? Yes, it is. So always follow Anna when you're out here. She knows the drill. I'm just a camera guy, walking, talking. I don't have anything on my phone. I rarely ever use the phone out here. And hope you can hear the wind as well, because it's hard today. Today we have accommodation. Tomorrow we thought we have accommodation, but it's fully booked. And it's gonna be a stormy night tomorrow again, so prepare for an outdoor tent video in the storm. So maybe that's tomorrow's title. Less talking, more walking, guys.
Yeah, Catherine is changing her jacket because it's a little bit of rain. But I hope it just will be a little rain. So I will just continue walking like this because today we have accommodation inside, so I'm gonna get dry anyway. And tomorrow we have no accommodation, so probably tent tomorrow on these high heights, but that's tomorrow then. So we have been walking for, I think we have 5 kilometers left, so it's been a good day. I felt a little bit in my calf when we started to walk, but now it feels fine. Me and Catherine walk quite slowly, talking. And you know, fast Dan, he turns around sometimes. You can see that we are with him, but way behind. So he walks a bit by himself. But we feel a little bit in our bodies, all three of us today, because of the day yesterday. 26 kilometers. It was rough with that incline. It was very rough. So 20 kilometers today will be just fine. 20 or 19. It's just different on the signs. We walked to the lunch cabin, and we have been walking for 11 kilometers. And then it said we had 10 left. For me, that's 21. I'm not a great mathematic, but I got that to 21. And we were left Helags mountain. Oh, that mountain hostel there. It says 20, and our app says 19, so we actually have no idea, but sometimes somewhere between 19 and 21 we think. So, but up here the kilometers doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. Oh. It's a cold one. Oh, I think it's 5-6 degrees, heavy wind, and the rain, it hurts my face. But we are soon there, so I will not pick up rain pants or poncho or anything. Hopefully I just can keep on going the last part. We were no lucky with the weather. It's raining from the side. You can see my amazing poncho that I love so much. I'm all wet on the left side, and it's blowing up the whole time on my back, so my ears are wet. So the person who made this and really testing it out have not been out in this environment. It must been just for nice looking, I think. That person who made this have not done a hike, I can tell you that. But that was not what I was supposed to say. But I was just winding off a bit, like I always do when I use this poncho. But now I will show you, like we said, me and Catherine. Oh, this could be a nice view actually. Glaciers down there. You see that house? That is our accommodation for today. I'm longing for a hot shower to warm my butt up. And so this last one hour was a bit of a challenge, but we made it as always. A bit cold, a bit wet, but we are in a good mood, and yeah, we're almost there. Here we are into the heat. No shoes there. So undressed and get lite bit warm. And then checked us in room number 5.
To the left. And here's sauna for the ladies.
Sauna for the ladies.
And sauna for the men. And here was the dry room, somewhere here.
Maybe not there.
Here.
Oh. Oh, perfect.
Dry room.
Dry room. Gonna get our clothes dry. Breakfast here tomorrow. Oh, a small shop.
Maybe you get a poncho, you know.
Maybe I can get a poncho here, but no, I don't think so. But I'm gonna order me a poncho.
Smells nice here.
Oh, we have a sink and we have beds. And Dan has wet feet.
I have wet ass, wet feet.
Sink.
Wet everywhere.
Look at towels.
I'm
towels. No.
I'm dead.
They
Pillows,
pillows.
They're
Pillows.
called pillows.
One bed there. One bed there. And one bed there. So we're home.
I want to take a shower, a hot one.
Hot shower it is.
Hola guys, I'm just sitting here by the computer now, and I think this is the end of the video. We're gonna have to go out in the rain to the other building to make dinner, and I just take a shower. We have a shower to the left here with just one room. One room on the other side. We have showers and toilets. So this is the end for today. We are super tired. The feet are in pain, and we are freezing for the super cold weather and everything. So we are beaten up, all the three of us. But look at these views. Beautiful mountain, and we came from up there down here. So, and that one I think we have walked around somehow. And now we have piping hot weather there, so that feels good as well. And so, end of this day. Tomorrow we start walking again, of course. And we made a little other plan for this. We gonna walk with Catherine to Storlien and say goodbye to her, because there she finished off Södra Kungsleden. So, cheers guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along on this rainy, windy, crazy day. And we haven't filmed so much because the wind was tough. And now the last hour or so we have heavy rain, so we have to use rain jacket, ponchos and everything. So, but thank you for watching guys, and thank you for all the support and all the nice comments. We love to read them all. Thank you. Thumb up. Bye bye.